How to change your date of birth in Facebook. Open up your Facebook application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right. After that, simply tap on the gear icon to head over to settings. Once you land on the settings page, you'll find your account center right on top. Tap on see more on account center. Then from here, you're going to have to tap on profiles. So select a profile of which you want to change your date of birth in. So head over to personal details and then here you'll have your date of birth. You can click on edit and you can choose your date of birth here. And if you've previously set up any date of birth here, you could choose those, but if none of these are correct, then you're going to have to tap on this contact us option. Now you're going to have to send a birthday change request. Select your date of birth here, which is correct. So let me just select another date that was not there. And once you've done that, you can select a reason for change. Select this is my real date of birth. And if you have any IDs with you that proves that this is your date of birth, you could choose files from your phone and then tap on send. Once Facebook verifies your ID, then you will be able to change your date of birth easily. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.